All right, box cover Duttyberry here, Lost in Time Festival right here at Hope Gardens. And so, you know, say anywhere there is something happening, I will be there showing you the excitement, the behind the scenes. We're going to try and get a couple interviews with some of the artists, some of the patrons. So, only can get a glimpse of what it was like at this Lost in Time Festival for those of you who couldn't make it here. Okay? All right, so just stay tuned.
Lost in Time Festival, how you feeling? Now I must say to you, it is truly a pleasure to be here with you tonight. My name is Jesse Royal, for those of you who don't know. If you're glad to be alive, let me see you put one hand in the sky. Yeah, I've seen a lot of people come and go in the years to come, you know what I mean? So we have to really and truly give thanks to be alive. It's truly a blessing. Let's go.
Alright, so I'm still here Lost in Time. I'm kind of hungry now, so I'm deciding to make a find my little way around to get some food. But even though it's like a little Rasta vibration event, they have stuff here for like the people that love chicken. So you have like CB Mystic Thai over there, so you have Camilla's Kitchen. But I don't know if you can zoom in, but you have the people that around us enjoy the food. So what I'm thinking is that later on, I want to do like a little fashion camp and kind of show, because the people them here, them not dress regular. You're not going to see a regular Alpha Tree, Limelight, Transport Center type of fashion. The people them here, I bring them uniqueness, them creativity. Oh yeah, we can show my friend right now over here, so we are talk to. Because you see, this is what I like about like events like this, again, for some people bring their own individuality. What's your name?
Z.
What?
Z.
Are you an artist or creative?
I'm a dancer.
Oh, you're a dancer? What kind of dancer? Like jump off a speaker box or like classically trained? Or like, oh, yeah,
Classically trained, but I will still jump off a speaker box.
Oh, okay. You have that versatility, that range. Okay. So like how many piercings do you have, if you mind me asking?
I stopped counting after 12, but I think somewhere around 14, 15.
So like describe your style to me, because like this is not the regular like Jamaican look.
Well, I'm not fully Jamaican.
Oh.
I was raised in Jamaica and in a Jamaican household, but I was mostly raised in New York.
Oh,
so,
okay.
That
nice.
drink.
Yeah.
It gives me the opportunity to play with my style, being in Jamaica but having my New York attire.
No, I forgot my little journalist part now. So like, you have any like, what you call it now? Is there trepidation or like worry in terms of bringing that New York flavor to Jamaica? Because you know, sometimes as much as we go on, we can conservative.
Me being me.
Yeah.
I kind of don't care.
Okay.
But I understand when people look at me a certain way. Who she think she is? Where she think she going? Why she up on that? Why she up on this?
Yes.
But I feel like personally, I kind of don't care. I'm not here for anybody else, and I don't dress for anybody else. So
love that vibe. Love that energy. Well, anybody in particular you're here to see? Anybody in particular?
Well, I was very excited to see Jessica.
Oh, yeah.
I'm also really excited to see Lila Ike, and
nice.
I have a couple of friends performing in the bands as well, so I'm here to support them.
Hey man, can run past stage and do a little dance too. Okay. All right, nice meeting you.
All right, nice
man. What's your name?
Harry.
Alright, so who you came here to see?
Honestly, everybody, but especially Protege and Lila.
Oh, okay. So And these are your friends around you? Okay. No, there's a girl here that has been enjoying herself the whole entire night. This girl here. Yeah, enjoy yourself the whole night. Talk to me, what brought you here?
I came because I'm a reggae lover and it's always a vibe to see Protege perform.
Okay, hold on, give me a second for putting together this outfit.
This outfit was a whole stress. I was stressed but it came together in like a week.
Alright.
Pick up Shein.
Oh, okay. Show them the outfit. Alright, so hi, beautiful stranger I've never met. What's your name?
Maria.
Hi, and what brought you here?
Protege, Lila, all the artists, all the performances.
Okay, so now I walk through the crowd and I talk to the atty them come realize that the fashion up here done up. This is no limelight after tree type of fashion. No, yeah, give them like pop star. What we I get tonight?
I actually took my boots off.
Oh, you have boots?
I was wearing boots there backstage.
Not the outfit change?
Yes.
Not outfit change.
Maybe you were killing me.
Oh, you know, switch up a little something.
Yeah, but we're still serving though.
Yes.
Yeah.
So how long you think you put this look together now?
Okay, so on Monday I went to buy fabric for my seamstress and she was working on it for the last 4 days. So yeah, it's custom.
No man, you plan for this.
I did.
Oh, yeah, give Sailor Moon, yeah, give all of them some of your legs. And no man, shape up all of these things, this is all natural.
It is. I go to the gym 4 times a week. It's so natural.
You've been up in the gym working on your fitness and it is showing.
Thank you.
It's a show right now.
Thank you.
Right now, you need to do some music video, post my bike back and all of these things.
No, we don't do back music video. I was in 10K in a row though, that's why I'm here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so
okay.
yeah, we'll do like a 10K in a row, like a nice mild reggae music video. But, yeah, my boss wouldn't be happy if I were on a bike back.
But alright, take care of them, Maria. You're looking great.
Thank you,
All right.
Barry.
Yes.